What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Garden with Barchuckin. I'm planting out my garlic today. It's November 15th, so I'll bring you along, show you how it's looking. So here's the bed I'm going to be planting it in. It's 3 feet by 6 feet long. My tools for today, a dibber and a hori. It has measurements of how long, so 6 inches, and this one actually goes up to 5 inches. So these are the two tools that I'll be using today. I do have a couple tags, silver white soft neck garlic, and there's a few nice sized bulbs this past year. That's a pretty monstrous soft neck garlic clove. So that one head of garlic has 8 cloves. I might be planting these just a little bit closer than what I probably should. Let's do this so then I know 6 inches. 6 inches. 6 inches. 6 inches. Okay, good. Oh, I lied. There was an extra clove on that. Oh, I double lied. This one I thought was big. It actually had multiple cloves. So, in a way, that's good. I have 5 that I can plant right next to these guys. And that should be 6 inches there. Now that I got those guys planted, I actually have one more here. Just jam him in here. I have my worm castings. I'll put that there so I know that's where the last row was. The Georgian crystal hardneck. The next one will be this chestnut red, and that's also a hardneck variety. Ooh. This one kind of is naked, so we'll see how that one does. I try to leave the wrapper on as much as possible. So this one actually had 8 pieces. That one's kind of small, so I'm going to see if I can get some larger pieces out of this one. And let's see. I'm going to test this one more time. There we go. So you strike down on that stem, it pops it right out, and it helps to peel this garlic. Then I just run my fingernail right down the crease. That helps to cut a little bit of that skin. Looks like I got enough to do another row. last but not least, the early Italian soft. That's going to be in the front part of the bed. So this could actually be harvested a little bit before these other garlics. With not having a whole bunch of space here, because I do have some brassicas, I may do kind of more of like a staggered planting of these. So I'll just see how many cloves I have in this head. 9. I can make it work. I'll come over just a little bit. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm just going ahead and giving everything. Okay, don't know if you were able to see the last little bit because my memory card ran out of space, but all I did was just pat everything in to make sure we got good garlic to soil contact in here. Now I'm going to go ahead and water this in. The reason why I ended up putting the castings on top is so when it rains, that castings actually can permeate down the seed garlic and then eventually around its roots. And then my uncle got a new leaf mulcher. So he's been mulching leaves, and he's given me 33 bags so far. So guess what's going here? Booyah! Cool. I hope you enjoyed coming along, checking out the garlic that I'm planting in the bed and how I went about doing it. If this helps, make sure to definitely leave a thumbs up. Go ahead, let me know when you're planting your garlic. We have had some very cold nights and this ground was still very workable. We're not going to get super cold here, enough for the ground to freeze, at least for another month, maybe even 6 weeks. Thanks for coming along, checking out the video. Everybody have a great day. So here's a quick bonus. I got leaves there, and then I have leaves here,